Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today I have the HIATT 1960s out because I found a new way to pick them. Also lost my good key, but that's fine. So the way these work is, actually I'll put a picture up of how they work. So on this picture, see we have this circle bit here, it's a bit sticking out. If you use the key to turn the circle one way, then it blocks the lock and pull from moving down out of the way of the bow. If you turn it the opposite direction, it'll move out of the way, and then that bit sticking out the end will push both poles down at once. So typically when we have been picking them, been getting something just to find that bit that's sticking out and move it around out of the way to knock the double lock off, and then trying to move it around further to get the poles. But the problem you run into is this post moves around on a lot of them, it's loose and the springs are quite stiff on a lot of them. So what I found is, back to the picture again, this area here, because it goes around underneath that circle bit, you can sneak a pick in and push down on the poles down there to push them down.
What? I'm just getting a donut. What?
Noisy.
I'm always noisy, get used to it. When have I ever not been noisy? It's been a long time for you to be used to my noisiness by now.
I know.
So why are you not used to it? I bet you if you talk to our subscribers, I bet you they understand and know that I'm noisy and expect the noisiness from me now.
Okay.
I'm quiet now, you big bag.
Anyway, as I was saying, now that we know after seeing this picture that that lock and pull goes all the way around the circle, we can sneak a pick in through here and just push down on this bit of the pole. So this is how it's going to look if you've got the outside of the cuff. You go to sneak in at the side and just push those poles down, and opens to show it's not a fluke. Do the same on the other cuff, and it's open. None of this messing about having to push that pole around that gets stuck and bends over and stuff. It is literally just to prove it's not just those cuffs, it's a different set of 1960s, and again pops it straight open. That's a new way of picking some 60-year-old handcuffs. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Hang on. We did it.
I think you got a bit too excited.